Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be hopping into another cash stuffing. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. So I'm going to be starting out with groceries today, and all of these cash envelopes here are empty, by the way. So groceries is going to be getting $60, and that's going to be a 50 and a 10. I actually did spend some money at the grocery store already, so I'll have to deposit some of this. But 60 a week, let's see how we do with that. Dining out is next, and we're gonna give dining out 45. I forgot how I split up my denominations, so hopefully I don't mess this up too bad. But I'm just gonna do 2 20s and a 5, and if I end up needing to swap bills out, then we know maybe it has to be from one of these cash envelopes that I'm stuffing first. Spending is next. Spending, okay, so I have been having really bad shopping problems. Being stuck at home and just being injured has just caused me to shop online. So I'm giving myself 95 to spend. We'll see how I do with that. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, yes. Because I went way over budget, I feel like, last month. Just browsing online and online shopping in general just can get very dangerous very quickly, so I need to get a hold on that. And then household is going to be getting a 10. I'm going to put it in here for now, but I do also still have like my reserves in my clear binder over here. And car isn't going to be getting anything, and it's currently empty. I've been pretty good about trying to keep my car clean at home, so hopefully I can continue to do that, and any reserves that I have in my car envelope in the binder will go to car maintenance, since I do need to start paying for that starting this year. So that is it for my cash envelopes. I'm going to be putting this in my wallet, and hopefully not going over budget, because last month was rough. Getting used to a new pay schedule is definitely not easy, so I'm hoping that everything goes well with this. Next, we're gonna move into my cash envelopes here, and we're gonna start off with my rose gold binder. I feel like I have not touched these in a while, unless it's like to pull money from, so it's nice to actually be stuffing them this time. Next up, we've got wish list, and wish list is going to be getting 25 today. So wish list now has 500 in the bank, 520, 540, 545. And I'm still eyeballing a Cricut. I just haven't bit the bullet on it yet since it's not on sale. Next we have travel, and travel is going to be getting $30 today. This one I for sure did not touch since I know I haven't gone anywhere lately. So travel has 500 in the bank, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680, 690, 700, and 5. So this is exciting. I still need to look into Hawaii accommodations, because that is what I do intend to use this envelope for. Next up is adventures, and adventures is also going to be getting 30. I think I did use some of this money last month. We ended up making a trip out to Joshua Tree National Park, and that was awesome. Love that place. We stopped in Pepe's and Harriet's and just kind of explored the area, so that was a ton of fun. Adventures now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 480, 490, 495, 96, 97, 98. So 498. Oh my gosh, it's so close to 500. I cannot wait. Christmas isn't getting anything today, but I did add to this account electronically. I do have a placeholder in here. I'm not sure what my total is though, so I have to check online and then update my placeholder. But currently it has 500, 600, 700, 750, and 755. And the reason why Christmas has so much, just in case you may be new here, I had about 400 or 500 left over from last Christmas. So that's what really gave me the boost on this. Otherwise, I would definitely not be anywhere near that amount in this envelope. Next is clothing, but that is getting skipped. Holidays is going to be getting $10 today. And holidays now has 50, 70, 80, 81. So 81 in holidays. And I think, what holidays do we have coming up? Is it Memorial Day? I know that's coming up. Father's Day. Okay, so that is it for my rose gold binder here. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my Clear Start binder. All right, so starting out with home. Home is going to be getting $11 today. And I actually did get a new rug, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping to use some of this to repaint my living room, so we'll see how that goes. But home now has 100, 200, 250. Oops, let me rearrange this. 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 340, 341. So 341 in home. And this one is slowly but surely adding up. Next is beauty, and beauty is getting 16 today. Let's see, is this 6 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is. I think I'm going to take, let me see. I knew I was gonna run into this problem, you guys. Did I put a 5 in dining out? I did, so I'm going to take a 5 from dining out and give it 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So dining out still has 45. Okay, and beauty is getting 16. Sorry about that, guys. I am all over the place with trying this stuff on a weekly basis. So beauty now has 100, 110, 115, 116, and I did finally get a haircut. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. They did again charge me a little bit more because my hair is pretty long. It was all the way down to like my waist, and I cut it about mid back length, so I did cut a couple inches off. And next is gifts, and I actually need to pull from this envelope for what I spent for Mother's Day gifts, but it's going to be getting 60 today because I have my dad's birthday, my sister's birthday, and Father's Day all coming up. And I definitely want to make sure I have enough funds in here to get something for each occasion. So gifts now has 50, 100, 110, and 120. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next week for my cash stuffing. Let's hope that I stay in budget with my cash envelopes. But I hope you guys all have an amazing and productive week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.